Hi! To use keyboard settings on your Realme 12X, first thing that we are going to do that's to open any application where you can open your keyboard. So for example, I'll choose Google Chrome and then click on the search bar to see my keyboard. So here at the upper row, you should be able to see this settings icon, and by clicking on it, you'll get to the full settings list. So today we'll get a look only on the most important one, and first one is of course languages of the keyboard. As you can see here, I got currently two languages, which is English and Czech. So we can easily add a new language by clicking on this button Add Keyboard, and here from the list you can choose any language that you would like to add. So for example, here I'll find some language like Dan, and here you'd be able to choose the type of keyboard that you can use, and sometimes you can see here settings for different languages. So after you are done with these settings, click on this big blue button Done, and your new language has been successfully added. Now if you would like to manage your languages, we would need to click on this pen icon at the right upper corner, where you'd be able to delete any language that you have added by selecting it and then clicking on this trash bin icon at the right upper corner. Now we have successfully deleted the language. So let's go back to the main settings list, and here take a look on the text correction. So I'll click on it, and here you can see really a lot of text correction settings. So here for example, we got suggestion strip, which is showing you suggestions for the word that you may be trying to type, new word suggestions. You can see all of the descriptions right here. Then here we got block offensive words or suggest contacts. Then at the tab corrections, we got auto correction while you are typing, undo autocorrect on the backspace, which will return to original text when backspacing after end of the correction. Here we also got auto space after punctuation, which is currently in the beta version, and then we can see also auto capitalization and double space period. Then if we will scroll down, here we can see next tab, which got spelling and grammar, which can give you spell check and also grammar check. All of this feature we can easily enable or disable by clicking on this slider. If the slider is gray, it's disabled. If it's purple or blue, I don't know what is color, it's enabled. So let's move on to the next thing that we got here, and this is the voice typing. So let's click on it, and here we can easily enable or disable this feature, and also enable faster voice typing, which needs to be downloaded. So let's go back and take a look on the last tab, which is emoji, stickers and GIFs. So let's click on it, and here we can also see some interesting settings. First one is emoji fast access row, which will show you popular and frequently used emojis on the main keyboard. Next thing that we got here is emojis in symbols keyboard, which will show you a row of recently used emojis in the symbols keyboard. Then next thing that we can see here is suggestions. So here you can see the show button to add multiple emojis with one tap, and also predictive content search, which will search you GIFs, emojis and stickers to browse. Then here we got suggestions while typing, which can show you emojis and stickers related to the word that you have just typed. And now last one here is emoji kitchen, which will suggest stickers when you select emojis in the emoji keyboard. And this is all of the important settings that we can find here. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.